Hello and welcome back to the website design tutorial. I'm Mackenzie Query. So in the last video I showed you how to create the services section. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create the next thing, which is the testimonial section. Okay, so let's get started. Now in the testimonial, to create that, we need to add a new section first of all, right? When we add that section, remember what we always do: we have to stretch the section and also turn the content width to full width so it can stretch to the end. So then we add another one, which is like an inner section, of which in this one I'm going to do it without it. Okay, I'm going to do it without it. So we go to elementor elements and then we just search testimonial. So there's a testimonial. This one is just one testimonial, but this particular one here is a testimonial carousel, and that is the one we need. Okay, so we drag it and just drop it right there. So now let's edit that. Okay, before we edit that, we also need something else. We need a heading. Okay, so we'll carry this heading. You know what, the heading, let's just copy one of the headings here. Okay, so what we're going to do is right click and duplicate this heading, right, and just drag it down, down, and we're just going to drop it there. Okay, so the heading is white, so we can't really see it. So let's change the color. We'll go to text color, and then we have to change it to what color? To slightly black. Okay, now we can see it, and then we just change the text also to testimonial. Okay, that's good. So now let's edit this testimonial. I already have testimonials here that I've copied, so I'm just going to fill them in. So now if you look here, you can see slides. Each testimonial has its own slide. Okay, so item 1 is the first testimonial, item 2, and so on. So item 1 is what we're going to deal with first, which is the one that is showing here. So I'm going to Control A this and just paste this. Okay, and then the image there, I'm going to change the image also. Upload file, because we don't have that image there. And then I'm going to choose the person. We have Kinsey, right? Okay, good. So we have Kinsey. Upload the image of Kinsey and click on insert media. Now you can see it begins to show there. So we're going to fill in the name and the title position. Let's look at what we have here. We have Showboy Kinsey, and then Showboy Kinsey as name, then singer, comma, CEO Showboy Records. So let's type that here, Showboy Kinsey. I wonder how he spells that. Let's check that again. Showboy Kinsey. Showboy is together, and then we have singer, CEO Showboy Records, CEO Showboy Records, and then we also have singer here, right? Good. That's the first. Then we go to the second one. We copy. So that's how you fill up all, all of them. Go to the second one, Control A and Control V to paste it there. Choose the second image, and I have the image of another person which I'm looking for now. Yep, this is the person, Val. then insert media. Good. Then we have to change that name to, let's see, do I remember what name? Well, his name is Victory Val, and he is a singer. Okay, good. So we don't need a third one for now. So now you can change several things here. You can change the skin, you know, you can make it bubble. Okay, you see that? So you can change it to this bubble looks kind of nice. Also the image inline, the alignment, but I'm just going to leave all these settings like this. Okay, I'm going to leave it as leave it on the default. So we'll go to style so we can change some other things there. Now in style we're going to change the background color. Background color, we're going to use a slight gray. Okay. Oh, I rather not. That was a mistake. That background gray goes to the section. But let's see, are we done editing things here? No, we need to edit. We go to content here, right? Because we need to change the text, the font. So we'll go to family here, and remember we're using Montserrat font in this one. Okay, so it changes that to Montserrat font, which is the name. I want the name to be bold a little bit, so let's make that bold, excuse me. Then the title also, title color here, let's leave it at leave that color. So this one will be Montserrat. Let's have that Montserrat all through. The weight, let's put it at 600, right? And also the text color, what we want for text color should be purple. See me, I wanted to copy the purple again. Okay, and you know, we are good. Okay, so just to differentiate from the two, you know, you better use kind of and see the two of them, they look good. So I think we're okay there. We don't need to adjust anything. The other things you can adjust, you can the size of the image also is allowing us to adjust that, but you can play around with these settings and do what you like. Okay, so now the next thing, we need to add the background to the section. So we'll right click and edit section, and then go to style, click on background type, click on color. We're going to pick our color code and paste our color code there. Good, I've given that a gray background, and when we do that, this is still giving us kind of, so we come here to style also, and change, go to content and change the background color. Background color here also, so they can match, and now they do match, right? Good. We also want to give spacing here, so we edit this section, go to advanced, remember how we give spacing, go to margin there, and then we just no, right, sorry, it's padding we have to give, right? Padding, let's just give it that 50. Update this, then drag this up and put it in the right position. Yeah, after services, right? And we have testimonials. Let's update this. and then let's see how our end result looks like. Good, it came out really fine. I think I'm okay with it, and you can see it's moving like a carousel. Okay, so this is how you can see we are done creating this home page. So, but there are several other things I need to show you. We're not still done with this home page. We need to do some things that will enable us or make it easier for us to create the other pages. Okay, so see you in the next video. Mackenzie Query out. Thank you for watching.